Hey all! So this is a box open. Normally I'd film down, but I'm not filming in my conservatory, it's too hot. So it's sat beside me and I'm just going to show you what I got. This is my badge maker. Those who watched Denise would have seen basically what it is because she's got the same one. So we're going to go through and see all of it. The box is huge, it's so heavy I couldn't lift it. Duncan had to carry it over here for me. So, have a look. So this is the little cutting placky thing, whatever they call it. Anyway, this is what we're going to use to cut on. It actually looks incredibly well used, which is, considering this is new, that's surprising. But, you know, it doesn't really matter. It's being used to cut things out on, it's going to get marked anyway, so I'm not really fussed. Okay, so this is the cap thing for cutting the size 58mm one. It's got it right on there, so it's a metal ring. When we get the thing out we can have a look, see what it goes with. But this one is the one size 77. They are blades of sorts, I think. I got 3 different size badge makers, but I only got one cutter that you can adjust to the other sizes because that was cheaper than getting 3 different ones. I don't know where it is, we'll have a look through, but so basically there's 3 different sizes of hundreds of components here. So these are the size 77 backs for the badges. Well, if I open up you can see it's not really a back, it's in the front I suppose actually. It's basically the plastic, that's what's in there, it's the individual plastic, so there's 250 of them. No, it's a bit hard to show you something that's see-through, isn't it really, but hopefully the light reflecting can help you see. So they are super thin. You put one of these on top of your picture when you make the badge, I believe. So that's the 77. These are the 45s, same thing, the little plastic sheets, but they're 45. So that's the biggest size and that's the smallest size that I've got. And then there's somewhere in there is the other size. Oh, here we go. So this is the 58 size of those plastics. So these are the sizes that I got. So turn them around, shall we? So 45, 58 and 77. So they're pretty good sizes. Obviously these fold around, so they'll be slightly smaller than that when we do them, but it's not bad. So these are the 58mm backs. If I just cut it open a minute, I can show you one. There's 250 of them. These, I've got 2 of them out. These are basically little metal backs for the badges. They're not the proper, I don't know how to describe what they are because obviously they're badges, so they have the pin bit on the back as well. These are, you'll see when I make it. As I said, I've not made one of these yet, so describing what each thing is, not necessarily what do they refer to them on these things. Should we have a look? They call them the fronts, metal fronts. Obviously you have the plastic, your picture, and then the metal. So they call them the fronts. It's kind of the middles, I suppose, really, but who knows. But anyway, so that's the 58. This one is the 77. And again, 250 of these. Cut that open and then I can show you the size comparison of them. Get one of each out, be easier, won't it? This is not a very good box opening, is it? But hard to film down on this one. There's two of the sizes, and here we go. These are the 45s. If it wants to focus. Focus, camera. When the camera tries to refocus itself, I will cut out the next size so you can compare them. Is it refocused? No. Come on. I'm going to stop and restart it, try to get this focus to work. Okay, we're back in focus. So here's the three different sizes. You can see that. So 77, 58 and 45. And as I said, these, they call them the fronts, but it's, you have the picture and the plastic on top of these, I think. I will film me making some so you can see how it all goes, because I'm not 100% sure myself just yet. I've watched lots of videos on how to do them. I've been looking into them since last year, so, but we all know my memory sucks, so I haven't actually remembered what most of these parts are. Okay, so size of these ones. So these are the 58mm, these are the backs. Put my scissors. These are the actual backs. And they're just little white discs, and the holes is where the pins go. Which are all separate, so I'll show you them in a minute. So I have to put the pin on every single one of these because, again, I'm tight-fisted and I didn't want to pay the extra £10 to have the pins on them, so I didn't. Okay, so these ones are the 45s. Again, I will show you each one of these next to each other so you can see what they look like side by side on size. These are the 77s. Again, these are all 250 components. There's 750 altogether. Because it's 250 of each size. That's how many badges you make, so the components, each section is 250. That makes sense? Am I making any sense? Probably not. I'm very tired, I haven't eaten anything yet. So these are the three sizes. So we've got the 45, there's the 45, there's the 58, and there's the 70. And obviously I will put the badge, the actual pins into each one. So let's put these back in their like slots a minute. I think an ice cream van just turned up. We haven't had one of them around here for years. Is it an ice cream van?
It is.
Ice cream van, and I'm out of focus again. What is going on? Back in a second. Oh, hang on. No, is it going to fix? Focus. It moved, but it didn't focus, did it? 2 secs. There we go. Focus again. The lens just doesn't like the slightest bit of dust. It's really annoying. So, yeah, what was I saying? Ice cream van just turned up. How cool. But, I can pick all three of these up at the same time. So these are 250 pieces of the badges. They're just the actual metal pin, but you know, the actual pin that goes on the back of a badge, that's what these are. So obviously I've got 3 bags of them because it's 3 sizes that I'm making. I don't think these are different sizes, are they? I don't know. No, these are all the same size. Makes it easier, I don't have to try to remember which one's which. Okay, so now we get into the good stuff. So this says cut for 5, so let's have a look, shall we? Gotta cut it open. I've literally not opened it. I've not seen any of this yet myself. This all came in while I was doing the Zoom call with Denise, Jan, Ruth, which is Dear Designs, Jan Carruthers of Urban Gypsy, and Ruthie is Pink Pumpkin Crochet. We were having a Zoom chat and this all came on. So I haven't seen any of it yet. Okay, so there we go. So this is the 45mm cutter setup, and that's the plate in the back there, which is what these ones will also be. So it's just different sizes. You see that? So they're for cutting out your pieces of paper to make sure you've got it the right size for the badge that you're making. So it's really handy. So hopefully there's instructions there on how I adjust it to the right one. And then this one is the 45 die. Get this one open. Okay, so this is the press that you use to make the 45 size badge. It all fits in. That comes off. So again, I will show you all of this working in a separate video, but that's the 45. I suppose Manny hasn't come down for the ice cream man. This one is the 77. Much bigger. There we go, so that's the 77. So that's a really big size badge. Really quite cool. I can start to see why I couldn't lift this box. Some of these are heavy. This is the 58 die. See, so they all look the same and they all work the same. It's just different sizes for making each size badge. Now, I have slightly different sizes than Denise. We both have the 45, but then she's got the 38 and the 25, and I've got the 58 and the 77. So I will get the other small ones at some point, because now I've seen Denise's ones. They are quite cute, so I probably will get them at some point. Okay, and this is the actual press thing that those dies go into. And I can get it open. I don't even know which way this is supposed to open up. Should we have a look? Let's see. Open it that way. Break whatever nails I've got left at this rate. There we go. Okay, so this is the press with its handle that go in there, and all those dies clip on here for that to press down and create the badge. So I'll put that together. Oh, and rather helpfully come with a little template thing for sizes. I have no idea if that's focusing, but again, I'll show you all when I'm making something, so you get to see it a little better. But that's really quite cool. I don't actually know how they managed to fit the handle and thing in here, because I can't, but never mind. So that is everything. So it's really cool. I'm really happy with it, and I will be doing a bunch of badges soon. Once stock levels are better, because they do have everything in stock, I plan on getting key rings, mirrors, bottle opener key rings, magnets, and a whole bunch of other stuff that they do as well. So there's going to be a whole different range of stuff. My ones won't be just craft related, because I am a multi-discipline art and crafter. They will have multiple things. What was that? And I will also be doing things that, like, for hidden disabilities and that sort of stuff. So I'm going to have quite a range of stuff I plan on making into these badges at some point, and all the other stuff. So keep an eye out for videos. They will pop in soon. I will probably pop a bunch on my TikTok video as well. But kind of worn out after that. But yeah, there's a lot and it's quite heavy, but I'm really excited and it looks really nice, so can't wait to start making things with it. Super excited. So put any questions you have down in the comments. I know this hasn't been a particularly good box opening because it's facing me instead of down at the table, but I could never have put this box on the table to do it because it's quite a big box. So this was the better option. I do not know what is wrong with my focus today. It's just not playing fair, so I'm going to go because it's back out of focus again. And so I will see you all soon making some badges. You take care. Bye!